So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, BMW, Chevrolet, Jeep, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.